These are my 2 kernel mango seeds. My mom brought home 2 mango yesterday from market. And when my brother and I decided to plant this seed in a jar with fertilizer. Our locality is very cold indeed in winter seasons. The climate have always dropped down to 0 degrees centigrade during morning, which has no chance for a small mango tree to survive. Now you see, after 38 days, these 2 plants began to grow. Now you can see a healthy leaf, although this one is more healthier than this one. We have decided when these 2 mango trees have grown enough age, we will send them to a warmer place to grow well. My brothers and I hope that these small trees will bear fruits 4 years later from now. And we will be happy because there is no mango trees here. And our mom always buy from market $2 per kg.